Past perfect tense. Two actions occurred in the past, one after another, and to point out which actions happened first, past perfect tense is used. Action happened first is past perfect, followed by action happened later is in simple past. Structure of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus past participle verb object. I had done my homework before my friend came. My friend came is in simple past and the action happened earlier. I had done homework. Subject plus had not plus past participle or verb 3 plus object. In case of negative sentence, she had not worked hard, so she was unsuccessful. She had not worked hard past perfect followed by she was unsuccessful. She was unsuccessful is past simple. Interrogative sentence had plus subject plus past participle verb 3 plus object. Had they reached office before officer came?